Hey artists, I know a lot of you are really interested in making origami, so I'm going to start making some origami for you guys so you can make your own at home. This is one that I posted a video last week of someone that I borrowed, so I'm just going to show you how I make a butterfly. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your square paper ready. So if you have a rectangular piece of paper, like this, all you're going to do is you're going to fold so this line and this line meet. I'm using just a scrap piece of paper I have laying around the house. That works perfectly fine. And then you're just going to snip off this rectangle. And now you have a perfect square. So that's basically how I make this square here. So what we are going to do is we're going to make a butterfly, as I mentioned. So that's how you make a square, so you're ready to go. I colored this side of the paper. See the scrap on the other side? So what you're going to do is you're going to fold diagonally first. Okay. You're going to open it up. Then you're going to turn it so you see the diagonal line, that fold that you just made. So right on that fold, we're going to meet this corner and this corner. You're going to open it back up. After you do that, we're going to fold it right in half. And open it up. You're going to do the same thing again. So see that straight line that goes up and down? We're going to fold right on that, meeting this top with this top. Fold it right in half. If I'm going too fast for you, pause the video. Don't feel like you have to keep up with me. Okay. And then we'll open it up. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So you should have 8 sections. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Okay, so our next step is going to be a little bit difficult. So what I like to do is I like to fold all of my lines back again. So I'm folding on that straight line that I made and folding on this line because we'll need those lines to work with us. So what we're going to do is this, see this is the diagonal lines here. This we're going to tuck. So that means these straight lines across are going to go in and we're going to push down like that. So I'll do that again for you guys. See, here's our diagonal lines. Here's our horizontal and vertical line. We're just going to use the horizontal line and these ends are going to meet. I'm going to show you backwards. And they're going to go get tucked right under. Ta-da! And now we have a triangle. So what you're going to do next is you're going to fold. I like to fold to the side a little bit. So it's a little bit off center. So you can fold back. Here's your center line right here. I'm going to fold back a little bit. This is going to be the bottom part of the wings. So you want it to be symmetrical. You're going to fold on both sides. So see how you have the butterfly shape already? What you're going to do next, I like to flip it over. So now we have our triangle and you just see the little tails of the butterfly wings. And we're going to take this and fold it up so there's a little bit above the edge. You see that? So you fold that up, you're just going to push down real good. And then you flip it back over. Next, I'm just going to fold this down. And then I can fold this in half. And now we have our butterfly. I hope you guys enjoyed making this origami butterfly with me. If you move the wings, they kind of flap. So I think that's kind of cool. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll be making probably 2 origami now per week and 2 how to draw videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed the start of this new stuff. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.